he tried to advance. People seem to act like they need something crazy to see. Something happened. And you never experienced this before. I can't believe she said that. She's trying to put me in a box. Why? I don't belong in there. Hey, we don't connect. Does she hate me for that? And if so, I apologize. I feel embarrassed about the misunderstanding. But what I go through has nothing to do with her. But I feel like she made it about her. She looks me in my eyes and I feel uncomfortable. I believe she mistakes me for a spectacle. Hey, she uses her imagination with me, and that might add to what drives her insanity. Hey, I believe she knows that I'm not a sideshow attraction, but it's awkward because she doesn't know what to say to me. But it makes it uncomfortable every time. I believe she think I was mesmerized because of other men. Their trained behavior is repetitive, and my unbalanced behavior cannot be tracked, clacked, clamped, or mimicked. It just might send her into a frenzy. One thing for sure and two things for certain: no matter what you do, somebody might just see you as a spectacle.